You manage a Power BI semantic model called Model 1 that connects to an on-premises Microsoft SQL Server database. You need to set up a daily automatic refresh for Model 1 at 6 a.m. while keeping administrative overhead to a minimum. What action should you take? Option A. Manually refresh Model 1 in Power BI Desktop and republish the file every day. Option B. Set up a scheduled refresh for Model 1 inside the Power BI service. Option C. Set up a SQL Server agent job to trigger a refresh using the Power BI REST API. Option D. Turn on background data refresh for Model 1 within Power BI Desktop. When working with Power BI semantic models connected to on-premises data sources, keeping reports up to date automatically is a key operational requirement. Administrators often look for native platform capabilities to handle scheduled refreshes efficiently without needing custom scripts, manual publishing steps, or complex external orchestration tools, ensuring that end users always consume the most current data with the least amount of maintenance overhead. I believe the correct answer is option B. Set up a scheduled refresh for Model 1 inside the Power BI service. To automatically refresh a semantic model in the Power BI service on a regular schedule with minimal administrative effort, you should configure a scheduled refresh directly within the Power BI service settings, leveraging an on-premises data gateway for the SQL Server connection. Let's look at why the other options are incorrect. Option A requires daily manual intervention or custom scripting to republish the model, which incurs high administrative overhead. Option C involves unnecessary complexity by requiring a SQL Server agent job and custom scripts to interact with the Power BI REST API. Finally, Option D's background refresh in Power BI Desktop does not automate refreshes for the cloud service, where end users consume the reports.